Hey writers, today I'm giving you a rapid fire list of words that are overused that you can cut right now from your writing and make your writing stronger. This is a no fluff video, just actionable cuts that you can make right now. I'm Angie, and today we are going to hit 4 categories of words that weaken your writing: filter words, weak intensifiers, redundant adverbs, and vague descriptors. The first category is filter words, and these are words like see, look, hear, realize, wonder, notice, and feel. They create unnecessary words between the reader and the action. Instead of she saw the door slam, write the door slammed. Instead of I heard him laugh, write he laughed. Instead of she realized she was wrong, write she was wrong. These filter words add nothing to your writing. They just slow it down, so cut them. The second category is weak intensifiers, and these are words like very, really, absolutely, totally, quite, rather, just, actually, and basically. These are verbal filler that weaken your message. Instead of very tired, say exhausted. Instead of really good, say excellent. Instead of totally amazing, say phenomenal. These intensifiers are like seasoning. You think they're going to add flavor to your words, but what they really do is they dilute down your actual words. The third category is redundant adverbs, and these are adverbs that repeat what the verb already implies. Cried sadly, whispered quietly, screamed loudly. If someone whispers, they're automatically quiet, and if someone is yelling, they're automatically loud. Instead of walked slowly, they could saunter or trudge, and instead of nodded quickly, they could jerk their head. You want to find stronger verbs instead of adding weaker adverbs. The fourth category is vague words that really say nothing. Words like things or stuff or good or bad or interesting. These words cause the reader to have to guess at what you're talking about. Instead of good book, say gripping thriller. Instead of interesting point, say surprising insight. And instead of saying stuff happens, like what happened, you could say disaster strikes. You want to be specific because your readers will thank you. Your homework is to take something that you have recently written and do a search for these types of words and see how many you can eliminate. Let me know in the comments how many of these words you were able to eliminate from your writing. And if you would like a deeper dive on this idea of eliminating these overused words from your writing, click here on this video. And if this video helped you, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.